Hi there, so this quick video is about common faults people do when they're moving off on the driving test, and what sort of things you can do to kind of stop it happening. So you're always going to get the examiner pulling at the side of the road on the left and asking you to move off, and you're also going to get an angled start, and you're going to get a hill start along the way on the driving test route. So you start the car, and you are going to be nervous at the same time, so you've just got to remember to drive like you normally do. And the first common fault is the examiner's saying to you, off you go when you're ready, and all you hear is off you go. It's like you're in some kind of race at that point, and you've got to take your time, because if you're on a hill start and you don't get yourself ready and you roll backwards, panic sets in, you'll hit the brake and you'll pick up a fault for not controlling the car when you're moving off. So just get yourself ready, look round. If you're not sure and you're not with the biting point, lower the handbrake a little bit, and if it rolls, handbrake straight back on and lift that clutch a bit more. Look round and then move off when it's safe. Quite a common fault is to kind of rushed on the hill starts. Another little fault, I'll just pull you over here, the angle start. So the examiner says to you, pull over one car length behind the car, don't worry about the drop curve, they'll say. And what they're looking for is control, observations, not about rushing off. And the common fault is they'll rush off without looking. So you've got to get yourself ready. You've got to do your checks, your blind spot checks, you're looking at the road. And when you're moving off, it's not about racing. And as you start moving, look at the road, have another shoulder check and control the speed. So you're going round the problem. If you don't, you're going to give yourself a harder problem than what it needs to be. So we'll just do a right turn here. And then you've got the other faults that crop up. So you'll be driving along on your driving test, everything's going fine, and you've been in the test for about maybe 3 or 4 minutes, and the examiner says pull over on the left where it's convenient and safe. So you think, well, it's a nice big turn here, I'll pull over here. So you check in, signal in, and then as soon as you're stopping, you hear the examiner, off you go when you're ready. So you go, okay, right. So you look round, get the gas on, get your biting point, and as you're moving off, the car stalling on you, you're thinking, what's wrong with the car? Well, you've not secured the car at the end. Handbrake, neutral, signal. Right, and what it is you're pulling off in the wrong gear with your left signal on. All these little faults people pick up. So you're going to get a control fault. So you look round, signal because there's someone on that driveway, and then you're moving off. So you keep it simple all the time. Don't try and rush. Like here now, we're just gonna pull over on the left here. So I'm checking my mirrors because that car is behind me. I'm letting him know I'm pulling over. She's in a rush, and I'm slowing down. Now remember, the other fault people do is they say, right, off you go when you're ready, and they'll get right. Okay, then well, I'm ready to move off, and I'm off. At that point, you picked up a fault because you've not checked the blind spot on your right hand side. There could be something happening going past you. There could be someone coming out of a driveway if there's a driveway there. Signal if you need be. So you're looking round. Oh, there's a car going past me. I'm just going to wait for it. There's this blue car coming past you. See him in the mirrors coming out. As it goes past you, stick your signal on. Check your right shoulder again, just in case there's something else. If you don't check your right shoulder, you've got to get a fault for it. Simple as that. So we're going to go left round this point here. And then left down here. We're just going to pull over on the left here. So we're checking, so you know. And remember, they are going to check that you can control the car. It's not all about racing. Handbrake, neutral, signal, off you go when they're ready, they'll say. look round, look up the road, there's a car coming. Now if I stay like that, I won't see it till now. So I'll move my head, I can see, and I'm waiting patiently. I'll stick a signal on because I can't see everything, and that car in front of me is blocking my view. And have another check to your right shoulder. And just pull out slowly. The angle start again, except for not as close. Give them a space when you go around them. Make things as easy as you can for yourself. Don't feel like you got to rush every time they ask you to move off. So I'm hoping this quick one gives you a few little tips on keeping it safe, doing it well for the driving, passing your driving test at the end result for it. If it does, give it the thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe, and if you like the updates, just keep pressing for updates. Safe driving, good luck with your lessons, and definitely good luck on the test. Bye.